Hello everyone, this is Mehan. Today video we would like to talking about Windows 11 minimum requirement and how to check your PC in meet requirement or not, and whether we can get free update or not on Windows 10 to Windows 11. Okay, let's start. As you know, Windows 11 comes with bunch of new feature here, especially new start Windows, just like Mac. New design, the button right here, productivity tool, call, and widget. Okay, gaming, a lot of new feature here. And let's talk about system requirement first and make sure our PC meet the system requirement or not, or we can get free update from Windows 10 to 11 or not. Okay, so the processor means CPU need at least 1 GHz here or faster with 2 or more core. So if you core i5 or 7 or other, you need to have at least 2 core. Okay, and minimum 4 GB of memory. Okay, if you install on Visual or something, you need put on only 2 GB, it not won't work. Okay, say not with system requirement. And 64 GB of storage, and here the firmware UEFI. So you need a modern computer with secure boot able. So if your Windows not secure boot, so you may need to install with or prepare your system again with secure boot, or check another option how to do that. And Trusted Platform Module 2.0 DirectX, that's not a problem. Display bigger than 9-inch, I think that's not a problem. And as need to have internet connectivity, so how to install without internet, I show you. I have put link in the description how to install for testing. Okay, so let's download this app to check our system compatibility or whether our PC ready for update. As Microsoft announced, the update is not the download one, but through the Windows update. You go to Windows update and then check for it. But Microsoft, they say they will inform us. So just download here first, and I have downloaded already. Let's install it. Windows PC check. Accept, install. You can hit the shortcut or open it. Okay, let's see here. Okay, in here come to interesting. They will check our PC. Here I don't have Microsoft sign up, sign in. Oh, I do have, and back up my data to drive, and last update, and battery and storage. You will get information for that and have more space in here. So uptime. But come to interesting here, check our spec of our computer, our storage, and how long we use this PC. Okay, so sometime here let's check if your PC meets system requirement. If our PC meets the system requirement, we can get free update from our Windows 10 to Windows 11. But if not, they will have some message or something. But to check here, usually we need administrator account. So you need to log in as administrator account, then you can check a normal user or said that maybe cannot. Okay, let's click here. Here, great news, the PC meet all system requirements for Windows 10 and it's free. For Windows 11 it's free. We will let you know when it's ready to install. So we know our PC can run Windows 11, but it's not free update right now. It may be next month in July, or I don't know. I will have a new video for the upgrade one when it's available. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any question, let me know in comment. Okay, bye bye.